What is this? I didn't get it all in the frame here. Damn. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review, and it's a really exciting review because I'm really excited to try this product. It is the new Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. This is the Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and like, hi, hello. Before we begin, make sure that you subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. This past weekend, oh my God, I lost my dad. It was like not unexpected, and he passed away in his sleep. He passed away reading Star Trek, and that's just like, it's so him. I didn't think it was appropriate for me, and it's not really my style to make a whole video like announcing that my father's dead. That's just really not me. And I'm filming this video because I was back home with my mom and my family, but I came back to the city because it's grad week and I have all of these appointments scheduled. And when I found out Saturday I had to cancel a wedding, and so I'm here right now because I'm waiting for my sister to land because she was in Australia and she's flying back. So I was just sitting here and I didn't know what to do, so I decided to film this. And I really don't want this to be like a sad video or a sad intro or anything, but I've never lost anyone before. Like, my grandparents are still alive. Like, I've never experienced this before, so it's really hard to like deal with it. Oh my God, I have so much powder on my shirt. It's just like really weird when like life all of a sudden becomes like a memory. So I'm trying to distract myself right now, and that's why I'm filming this. So if I'm not super, you know, happy in this video, I'm really sorry. I have his ring, so I don't ever plan on taking that off ever. So it's gonna be a new feature in my video. Anyway, I just wanted to mention it because I don't know. Anyway, Too Faced generously sent this to me. I'm so excited, and this product actually launches tomorrow, so I really wanted to film this video and get it out for you guys. I'm going to be doing a look with this, and I'm also going to be doing swatches, so anyone that's watching, I'm going to swatch all of these for you so you can find your perfect shade. Let's talk about what this is. This is a lightweight, natural finish, full coverage concealer infused with coconut water, so it's super hydrating. I have super dry skin, so I'm so excited that this is a hydrating concealer because this bitch is dry. This is supposed to have a 12-hour crease-free wear. Too Faced is also promoting this as a photo-ready concealer, so you don't have to worry about any flashback. You're supposed to be able to use this to conceal, to highlight, to contour, and to retouch with. So not only can you conceal any imperfections on your skin underneath your eyes, whatever, you can also highlight and contour with it. And you can also retouch. So on the back of the bottle here, it literally lists those 4 words. What else is this under here? Stuff in French. Let's talk about how much product you get in here, because you do get half a fluid ounce. You get 15 milliliters. And let's just compare it to the Born This Way foundation, which is 1 fluid ounce. The packaging is so beautiful. It's like identical to this. It looks so cute next to one to another. Like, it almost looks like it would just be a foundation, and you get so much product. I love that it is glass. It feels sturdy, it feels expensive. And what I love most is that it has this huge diamond doe foot applicator, which picks up a lot of product, but it doesn't necessarily apply a ton of product. You have a lot of control when you're like applying it on your face, so I don't feel like you're ever gonna be overusing the product. It doesn't really have a scent. It kind of just smells like concealer. I have a boy here, just seeing his little tail. It comes in 20 shades currently. I cannot find a price point on this because it hasn't launched yet, and I've tried to look on a couple websites, but I can't find the price. So I really can't tell you what, you know, if it's a good price or not. I'm assuming it's going to be, you know, relative to the foundation because this has half a fluid ounce in it, so I'm assuming it's a good price. That was my little introduction of the product. Now I'm gonna get into the actual application and the swatches for you guys. So let's just get into what you actually came here to see. So let's go. This one is Swan, and it has a neutral undertone. This one is Snow, and it has a rosy undertone to it. This is Almond, and it has a golden undertone. This one is Porcelain, and it again has a neutral undertone. Hi boy! You sweetie boy. It's for you. It's a hat. It's your hat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Smell good. This one is vanilla and it also has a neutral undertone. This one is nude and it has a rosy undertone. This guy is golden beige and it has a golden undertone, obviously, because of the name. This one is light beige and it has a neutral undertone. Oh! You're so funny. This one is neutral beige and it has a neutral undertone. This one is warm beige and it also has a neutral undertone. This is sand and it has a golden undertone. This is warm sand and it also has a golden undertone. This is honey and it has a neutral undertone. And I think this is the one I would choose to do my contour with. This is butterscotch and it has a golden undertone. This is mocha and it has a rosy undertone. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have to see boy down here. Look at him laying on this. It's so cute. Boy. Hi, my boy. Hi. This is maple and it has a neutral undertone. This is chestnut and it has a neutral to golden undertone. This is mahogany and it has a golden undertone. This one's toffee and it has a golden undertone. And last but least, this one's cocoa and it has a neutral undertone. I thought for this application of this product, I would kind of align it with how they're marketing this product so you can conceal, highlight, contour, and retouch with this concealer. So I'm going to be doing like a cream contour essentially with this product. So to find your shade to conceal, you're supposed to find the closest shade to your foundation with the same undertone. Now to highlight, you're supposed to use a shade that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone in the same undertone. And to contour, you're supposed to use a shade that is 2 to 3 times darker than your natural skin tone with a cooler neutral undertone. But for me to contour, if I was to go 2 to 3 shades darker with a cool or neutral undertone, I would be looking at porcelain, which this is so yellow and I would never in a million years contour with this ever. So what makes a little bit more sense for me is to highlight and conceal, I suppose, with Swan. And then I'm going to contour with the shade Honey, which is quite a few shades deeper. But if you look at it against my skin tone, this makes the most sense to contour my skin with. Like I would never use porcelain to contour. So that is just what I'm going to do. Now I am going to start off with Swan and I'm going to place this on all of the highlights of my face. Then I'm going to blend it out and then I'm actually going to go in with Honey. Yeah, with Honey. The reason I'm going to do it in 2 separate steps is it's just easier for me to blend. That's pretty much it. If you have it all on your face, it just gets a little messy. So here I have Swan. This is going to be my concealer and my highlighter because I'm so fair. It's the same-ish. And I won't lie, to do this with this giant applicator, it's like honestly heaven. It's really, really nice. It picks up a lot of product, but it doesn't pick up too much product where you feel, I feel like I look like Santa. Do I look like Santa right now? I got all that plopped on. I am going to be using a beauty blender just because for me this is just going to be the easiest. Oh my god, oh look at how that blends out. Oh my damn, oh my damn. tell you this, I never bring my concealer all the way up to my eye, because if you look at your anatomy of your dark circles, it's never like, I don't even need to really put this here for concealer, but I'm applying it there to actually cover my skin tone. So just put it wherever you need, okay? Jiminy Cricket, look at that. That is like full coverage. It doesn't feel heavy. So that's what I like. And it doesn't look heavy either. So now I'm gonna go in with honey, and I am going to use like the littlest amount of this because I don't want to overwhelm my face with this. So I'm gonna pop a little bit of this where I would normally put my cream contour. And for me, if you guys watch any of my videos, to actually put this on my face and not blend it on my hand first, I'm like, ooh. So let's blend this guy out. And I always put my contour right where the bottom of my cheekbone is, and I always put it a little bit higher because when you do blend, it always ends up a little bit lower, and you want to raise the cheek. You don't want to bring it down. And I always bop upwards because you want it to fade up. Just move my sideburn here. And what's great about doing this with Beauty Blender too is you can have some of your foundation shade on the bottom here, so you can just keep blending. Blend, blend, blend. It's looking good so far. You want this, don't you? You want this. This is not for you. What's this? What is it? What's it? What's this? Boop. That blends so easily. Oh my god. And now I'm just gonna go in and reinforce some of those highlights just a wee bit. And I would do this no matter what. All right, what do you guys think of that? I'm really liking how it looks. My skin doesn't look too wild and crazy. And I'm really happy with the color selection that I chose. It really warmed up my face. I am gonna set this with a little bit of a powder right now. Powder I'm gonna be using, you guys, I love this. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. I just adore this. I'm just gonna go over it a little bit. I'm not gonna bake or anything because that's not what I need to do. There we are. I'm a little bit more matte now. And since I'm just like, you know, a flat wall right now, I am just gonna jazz up my makeup and add a little pizzazz here. So I will be right back. Voila, I did my face. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about this concealer. I really, really like it, and I will be using it again because I just feel like it looks so flawless. It has a natural finish. It is hydrating, so for my dry skin, like I can already tell like underneath my eyes it's not caking, and I feel like I look really nice for not even putting a foundation on. I mean, I did put a lot of concealer on, which like, hey, but I mean, I really like it. That's pretty much it. That's all I have to say about this product. I really like it. I will definitely be using it again. I love the coverage of the concealer, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little makeup application and the swatches that I provided for you guys. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. It's Bailey Vanderveen. Duh, it's my name. And that's pretty much it for this video. Until I see you next time. Bye guys.